नमस्कार, मैं झुमझुमी नंदी, प्रिंसिपल जुस्को स्कूल कदमा। आपसे बात करने में मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है क्योंकि अभी हमें प्रशासन से इजाज़त मिली है कि हम स्टैंडर्ड 10 और स्टैंडर्ड 12 के बच्चों को स्कूल बुला के ऑफ़लाइन क्लासेस ले सकते हैं। तो इसके लिए हमने बहुत सारी तैयारी की है और जैसे प्रोटोकॉल है, जो भी हमारा SOP है, उसके हिसाब से हमने सारी तैयारी की है। टेम्परेचर चेक हो रहा है एट द गेट, फिर जितने साइनेजेस हैं उनको सारे वार्निंग्स और सारे प्रोसीजर्स समझाए जा रहे हैं थ्रू दोज signages. First step they do is they wash their hands, then they go to the lab and there they are given the social distancing area जहाँ उनको कम से कम 1 मीटर की दूरी पे अपने जगह बनाना है। अभी फ़िलहाल हम प्रैक्टिकल क्लासेस ही शुरू कर रहे हैं और शायद from the 4th of January we will be starting the offline theory classes for standard 10 and standard 12. For that we are making our preparations of having 15 children per class and make them sit alternately so that they have at least 1 meter distance with a mask, proper sanitizer, and at different strategic positions we have also installed the pedal hand sanitizer so that the children have the opportunity of sanitizing the hands wherever they are coming in surface touch with anything. फिर हम फॉगिंग मशीन भी ले लिए हैं ताकि just before the children come and after the children leave we can sanitize the place where they are, and the teachers will also take very strict precaution. All the protocols will be maintained, and I'm sure that the parents are also educating the children as to how to conduct themselves, because we need to keep ourselves safe. Every alternate day we send instructions through our SMS in the school app, then through the class WhatsApp groups. सारे इंस्ट्रक्शंस बच्चों को दिया जाता है और स्कूल ने भी अपने हिसाब से पूरी तैयारी कर रखी है और हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि वी विल बी एबल टू स्टार्ट एंड कंटिन्यू आवर क्लासेस विद टोटल सेफ्टी एंड ऑल आवर चिल्ड्रन विल रिमेन सेफ। अभी फ़िलहाल हम स्टैंडर्ड 10 और 12 के ही क्लासेस करेंगे, एंड विद द परमिशन व्हेन द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन अलाउज वी विल extend this facility to probably standard 11, 9, 8 as the administration allows. And our parents have always been very cooperative. At the initial stage we had done a survey. In that survey parents have given good response. We have received more than 75% response, and now that we have started practical classes, more than 95% children are coming to the class and there is a good attendance, and parents ने consent दे के ही भेजा है। तो हमारा एक checklist है जिसमें हम सब every day we maintain that checklist in which we check the students' temperature, then the hand washing, then the parents' consent form. So we have this checklist which we are maintaining for every day, and the administration, the local administration, the police thana, they've always been very, very cooperative, and whenever we have had any problems, they are always ready to extend cooperation. And our didis and bhaiyas, they are very alert. They have been given training how to maintain the hygiene, how to maintain the प्रॉपर क्लेनलीनेस, हाउ टू डू द फॉगिंग, ये सारा उनको ट्रेनिंग दिया जा रहा है. सो दे आर नाउ वेरी अलर्ट, and we hope that our students will be able to come back to school and they will remain safe, and we will be able to have offline classes. Though our online classes are going fine, but I'm sure just like the teachers are missing the children are also missing school, and the parents would also like to see normal times returning back, and we are all hoping that our children are back to school safely. Thank you.